Hi guys! Today we're going to pick blueberries. Let's go! Picking blueberries. Look at the blueberry guys. I will show you.
Tiny one.
Go, go, go. Pick now.
Ah, see?
Maliliit. Ba't ang liliit na? Ha? Maliliit na blueberry.
Not even a single small one.
They pick already the big one. Let's go this way. It's so tiny blueberry now. Look at that. But I think it's sweet.
See, there's even one with the spider web.
That is sweet.
It's sweet. It's sweet. Come on. Let's pick here. Hi, shout out to Casey Balderrama family. Thank you for watching our videos. And thank you for all your support. God bless. Ayan guys. Maraming mga bunga pero maliliit. Pero tingnan natin yung mga malalaki. Maliliit itong napuntahan namin. Oh, look at that. Ganito lang mag-pick, oh. Ang dali lang. Ganito, ganyan lang, oh. Matamis siya. Maliit pero matamis. Ayan, ganyan lang, oh. Tingnan nyo guys. Ayan, ito ang blueberry. Seasonal lang itong blueberry dito sa amin. Dito sa Vancouver, British Columbia. Pag summer lang, pag July. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Look at that. Ay, good boy, Alden. Come on, pick this. Pick this. Pick here, Alden. Wow, look at that. That's blueberry. Okay. Why you have your phone in the box?
Because it's my blueberry.
Wow, good boy, Alden. Very good.
I have more. It's also big too.
Yeah. Okay, pick now.
No, I can eat more.
Yeah. Ayan, oh. Ganito lang, oh.
I found a lot of
Ay.
big ones.
It's sweet, right? Sweet. Try, Alden. Try the blueberry. You don't want it?
That's too sweet.
It's too sweet?
Try it.
Yan. Blueberry. Ayan guys. Blueberry. Ayan, ang mga blueberries. Yan, magpipik tayo. Matamis. Matamis siya. Dito pwede kang kumain. Malinis naman na guys kasi ano, yan malinis. Matamis. Matamis siya. Ayan. Gusto ko kasing mag blueberry picking kami para ma-experience din nila ang mga ganito dito sa farm, ganun. Kahit pinanganak dito sa Canada, ma-experience nila ang buhay dito sa farm, mga ganun. Yan. Paglaki nila, at least alam nila, di ba? Ayan, ang daming bunga. Daming mga bunga. Pero maliliit lang. Maliliit lang ang ano namin, napuntahan namin na farm. Kasi meron talaga yung mga malalaki. Pero ito yung ano na pangalawa na, parang ganun. Pangalawa ng ano harvest. Kaya maliliit. Ayan. Pero matamis naman guys, matamis. Oo. You have a lot now. Silang strawberry. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. Ayan, meron silang ano, strawberries. Ito ang mga strawberry nila. Yan. Ito ang ano, Ito ang raspberries. Yan. Ayan ang raspberry. Ayan oh, yan may bunga na yan. May bunga siya. Yan. Raspberry yan. Ito ang mga strawberries. Ayan oh. Yan ang strawberry. Strawberry. Oh, yan ang mga strawberry nila. Maliliit ang strawberries. Yan. Oh, kuha tayo ng strawberry. Pero maliit lang oh. Ang liliit. Maliit lang. Ay, meron siya oh. Oh, yan. Maliliit. Ayan ang strawberry nila. Ay, may malaki din oh. May malaki din oh. Ayan, tapos meron silang upo at saka meron silang ano oh. Yung ampalaya. Oh, yan. Ampalaya ito guys. Oh, yan. Yan, ampalaya. Ampalaya yan. Oh. Ampalaya. Ito ang nakuha naming blueberry. Ayan. Ayan guys, pakita ko yun, ampalaya oh. Bawal ka naman ano, mamitas. Pero yan oh, meron silang kalkalunay oh. Yan, kunin ko yan. Yan ang upo. Ito ang upo nila. Oh. Yan, nakuha kong strawberry. Upo yan. Yan mga strawberry nila. Raspberries. Yan. Meron pa silang ano doon, vegetables. Yan guys. We pick already. We're done picking. Let's go. Yan, strawberries. Hindi kami nagpick ng strawberry. Mga blueberry lahat ang pinik namin. 3 box na ganito. Oh. Ayan guys, tapos na kaming nagpicking ng blueberry. Ang taas pa ng araw, 6:30 na dito sa amin ng ano, gabi.